Hello, my friends. Welcome to my channel. Do you want to read English faster? Do you want to speak English smoothly? Yes, then this video is for you. Today, I will give you 5 easy tips. These tips are very simple. Anyone can do it. You will see a big change. Let us begin. Tip number 1. Use your finger. Look at your book or look at your screen. Now put your finger under the first word. Move your finger under the words. Move it smoothly. Your eyes will follow your finger. Why is this good? It helps your eyes move fast. It stops your eyes from going back. Try it now. Move your finger. See, it is easy. This is your first step to fast reading. Tip number 2. Read groups of words. Do not read one word. Read 2 or 3 words together. Look at this sentence. The boy eats a red apple. Slow way. The boy eats a red apple. Fast way. The boy eats a red apple. See the difference? Read groups of words. It is like eating a big bite of food, not one small grain. Practice this. It will make you a fast reader. Tip number 3. Talk to yourself in English. You must think in English. How to do it? It is easy. When you are alone, talk about what you see. Say it in English. For example, I am drinking water. The sky is blue. I am going to market. Do this every day for 5 minutes. It is like exercise for your mouth and brain. Soon, speaking English will feel easy and natural. Tip number 4. Listen to easy English every day. Your ears must get used to English sounds. Listen to simple English stories. Listen to slow English sounds. Watch cartoons for children in English. Listen for 10 minutes every day. You do not need to understand every word. Just listen. Your brain will learn the rhythm. This will help your speaking become smooth and fluent. Tip number 5. This is the most important tip. Be brave. Do not fear mistakes. Many people are scared. They think I will make a mistake. But mistakes are good. Mistakes means you are trying. So please do not be afraid. Read out loud. Even if your pronunciation is not perfect. Speak even if you used simple words. Every expert was once a beginner. You can do it. I believe in you. So, my friends, here are your 5 easy tips. First, use your finger to read. Second, read groups of words. Third, talk to yourself in English. Fourth, listen to easy English daily. Fifth, be brave and do not fear mistakes. If you do these things, you will improve very fast. Now I have a task for you. In the comments, write one sentence in English. Write, my name is Dash. I will practice English every day. Please like this video if it helped you. Share it with your friends who is learning English and subscribe to my channel for more easy tips. Thank you for watching. Keep learning. Goodbye.